We are finding a...
Uy, saklay yung te, pababaan na tayo.
Hoy, finding sabi ko.
Statue.
On our way.
We're so bouncy!
We're here, guys. We're here at Rudolph's.
Ah, no! Ah!
And look at the kid. So, okay, let's go kasi we're gonna go. So, hi guys, we're here at Baguio City. So, hi guys. Ikaw nga naman kasi mag-ano naman kanina pa
Okay,
kayo.
hi guys. So we're here at...
Oh, tama na yan. We're going. Where are we going?
How are we going? We're going at
We're going to
Botanical Garden.
And
So
we have
GPS
only
for
that. We're gonna walk.
yeah.
Uy, parang lapit naman masyado. First time walking in Baguio. Kinda shy. Naglalakad kami to papunta ng Botanical Garden. Guys, live update. Nakailang bullet na tayo sa map? 6. And then, this is our reaction. Okay. Pero sobrang nakakaano.
Yung 3 minutes walk mo, parang 30 minutes ka naglalakad.
True. Hi guys. Update. Ano update?
Mali po yung direction na napuntahan namin.
Very good. Yeah.
Maglalakad na naman, pabalik. Sino ang nagsabi ng direction?
Google Maps. Google Maps ang alam. Update guys.
Dito na kami.
Di ba Mines View? Where are we? Botanical? Ay, hindi. Pero di Botanical Garden naman pala. O yun nga, yun guys. Nandito kami sa may Botanical Garden.
Mamaya tayo ng Igorot.
Wala tayong pera. Guys, nag-i-stop kami.
Picture na.
O, ikaw naman magawa ka ng friends. Friends. Bakit kasi ang baba?
Ay, hindi pa yung dito.
Magpapapicture tayo. Guys, actually, security tickets. Security tickets o fashion security na naman. So, dito na kami guys. So, yun guys. Again.
Dito pa lang kami. Dito kami talaga lumilipat. Entrance pa lang yun.
Oh, cafe. We don't have money. Our money is enough for beers. Uy. What's that?
Pero maganda.
So guys, we're here at the Botanical. Okay, again. Oo, ulit. Ano ba dapat sabihin? Saan nandito kami guys?
1, 2, 3. Yan. Sige pa. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Shout out po kay Tasha and kay Charis! Oh my gosh!
Ba't pinandyan? Grabe.
Kaya nga ang tip-tip niyo. Oh my gosh, okay.
Bye-bye, Bernawar. Ay,
Botanical Garden. Okay.
sorry.
Uwi na kami kasi gabi na wala kami ng service. True. Ayun, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Hey guys. Kami ng cactus tawid. Hindi ko anong itsura kaya natin dito double chin siguro.
A few moments later.
Hala!
Sabi sa'yo, itatawa. Sabi ni Papa mo. Yun lang
kasi inikot namin buong Baguio. Galing kami utang.
Tapat lang pala ng hotel yung Botanical.
Oh my God, mga bulag! Ayun, doon kami nag-i-stay. Natilipan mo kami. Huwag mo nga kaming baliw dito.
Okay. Pwede okay lang mag-
Kaya